hahawakan yung yellow. Dapat ibang color po ang hahawakan. Okay po? For example, blue, yellow, green. Ganun po. Mabilisan po. Then for example po, magkalaban po, pipila na ayos, Doc and Jairel. Sila po munang magkalaban. Kung sino po manalo, next naman po, kailangan paubusan po tayo ng members.
Ang mananalo dito ay yung hindi masyadong matalino. Kasi sala yung kulay eh. Basic lang sa kanila yun.
Mabilis po ito ha, mabilis.
Okay.
Tapat na po, tapat.
Oh, tapat.
Ito to.
Blue, green, green, yellow, blue, white, ay wait, yellow, red, green, green, yellow, blue,
Galing naman.
green, hey, red, yellow, yellow, blue, blue, green, violet, red, yellow, blue, green, yellow, blue, red, green, green, blue, red, green, green, blue, yellow, blue, green, 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 yellow, blue, green, blue.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Ulit po, mabilis po. 1, 2, 3, blue, red, green, yellow. See? Red, blue, yellow, blue, red, yellow, green. Kaya na sister, change. 1, 2, 3, blue, green, yellow, red, yellow, red, green, blue.
Wala ko na